Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with CodePen for experimenting with CSS UI effects, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start experimenting with CSS UI effects on CodePen, visit the CodePen website. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button in the top right corner. Choose to sign up using your email, or select one of the social media options for quicker access. If signing up with email, fill in the required fields, your name, email address, and a password. Once you've filled out the information, agree to the terms of service and click Create Account. After successfully creating your account, you will be directed to the CodePen dashboard. Now, click the Create button at the top of the page to start a new pen. You will see a blank screen divided into three sections: HTML, CSS. Begin by entering your HTML code in the designated section. Next, navigate to the CSS section and input your CSS styles to create your desired UI effects. To see your changes in real time, check the preview at the bottom of the screen. You can adjust your code as needed to refine your design. If you want to save your work, click the Save button located in the top menu. You can also add a title and description to your pen before saving. Once saved, you can share your pen by copying the URL from the address bar. Explore other users' pens for inspiration by browsing the Explore section. You can also follow other creators to stay updated on their projects and effects. After experimenting, return to your dashboard to access any of your saved pens. Feel free to organize your work by creating collections for different UI effects. Experiment with the various libraries and frameworks available on CodePen for enhanced designs. Utilize the documentation and community forums for extra help as you refine your CSS skills. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.